In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add Facebook events to your Google Calendar. This is a handy skill to have since it ensures you never miss those important occasions. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific Facebook event you'd like to add. This can be done by logging into your Facebook account and browsing your events until you find the one you're interested in. Once you've located your event, look towards the top right corner where you'll spot three dots, often referred to as the overflow menu. By clicking on this menu, you'll be presented with various options, one of which will be Add to Calendar. Go ahead and select that. After you've clicked Add to Calendar, you'll see an option to export the event. Clicking this option will download a file to your computer, specifically a ICS file, which is a widely used calendar format. It's important to note that this small file will contain all the details needed to import into your Google Calendar. Before you proceed with the import, consider renaming the ICS file to something easily recognizable, especially if you're handling multiple events. Once renamed to your satisfaction, ensure the renamed file is saved appropriately on your computer. Now let's shift our focus to Google Calendar. Open your preferred browser, head over to Google Calendar, and once logged in, look for the gear symbol at the top right corner. By clicking this icon, a drop-down menu will appear. Select the settings option from this menu. Within the settings, you'll encounter a menu on the left-hand side. From this menu, you'll want to select Import and Export. This is where the magic happens, as it's your gateway to incorporating external events into your calendar. Next, you will see an option labeled Select File from your computer. When you click on this, a file upload dialog will appear, allowing you to locate the ICS file you downloaded earlier. Navigate to this file on your computer, select it, and click Open. After selecting your file, make sure to choose the appropriate calendar for these events. By default, this is usually your primary calendar, but feel free to choose another if you have multiple calendars and prefer organizing your events differently. Finally, click on Import. This action brings your Facebook event details into Google Calendar, integrating them seamlessly with your existing schedule. And just like that, you've successfully imported your Facebook events into Google Calendar. Remember, this method not only keeps your events handy, but also ensures you stay organized. Thank you for tuning in and happy planning.